Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Touch ID and Passcode. This is where fingerprint enrollment lives. Make sure your device is unlocked and you already have a passcode because Touch ID needs that as a fallback. Once ready, follow prompts to add a fingerprint. Rest the pad of your finger on the Home button, then lift and reposition slightly each time. You do this so the sensor captures multiple angles. This improves recognition speed and reduces false rejects. Now you focus on getting full coverage. Press the center, then the left and right edges of your fingertip so the sensor records varied contact points. Make sure to change the angle and finger position gradually. Once done, the phone will request subtle fingertip adjustments to capture side ridges. You should feel brief guidance taps. Follow them. This thorough approach explains why Touch ID later recognizes you when holding the phone at different slants or with slightly shifted contact. Finish by testing lock and unlock with the newly registered print. This confirms success and highlights any sensitivity issues. If you get a failure, make sure the Home button is clean and your finger is dry, because oils, moisture, or debris interfere with the sensor. If problems persist, re-register the same finger or add alternate fingers for convenience. This step ensures reliability. Remember, re-enrolling improves match accuracy and covers situations where one finger may be
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.